Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get, install, delete, and download applications on your Roku device. And this is very easy to do. So if I go back to the home screen here, and then find an application I want to go ahead and remove from my device, I want to press this asterisk button for more options or the application I want to delete. So let's go to this application. Then I can go up to where it says Remove Channel. Or I do have an option to move it right here. But I'm going to go to Delete Channel and remove this from my Roku device. Now to actually add a channel, I can scroll all the way down to the bottom of this list. There is an option to add channel right here, and this will bring you to the Roku streaming store, where I can search for applications by their specific name. I can go to apps right here and just sort through the different featured applications. I can see movie, TV, kids, family, music, news and weather, sports, comedy, animals and pets, etc. So you can go through here. So if I go to sports, for example, this is what it looks like. A bunch of different sports applications. Then there are some games on here, but none of the games really are that impressive. There's just going to be more like 2D games. So just go through the App Store and see which channel you want to go ahead and add. Now if I go back to the home screen here, I do have the option to go on down under this list to search, or I can go to Streaming Store and find it this way as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.